Well, hello and welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Wow, what a day. We're on the coastal pathway in downtown Chloraka. One or two of you may recognize one or two of the icons. For example, that little ship that crashed on the shoreline in the 80s. And the crew liked it so much, they decided to stay in Paphos for the rest of their life. Downtown Chloraka, the coastal pathway, the sky is blue, the sea is blue, Mr. Paul is dressed head to toe in blue. This is one of the little hidden coves that perhaps you might want to come and hunt down on your adventures. Nice little beach, beautiful, safe little area to go and dip your tootsies in the blue Mediterranean Sea. So let's get onto the coastal pathway and let's chat along the way, and you can absorb the views and the spectacality of the little area known as downtown Chloraka, just up the coastline from downtown Cato, Paphos. Villa galore, hotels. Cyprus Breeze Hotel is just over there to the right hand side, and then there's some luxurious villas that you can come and have the holiday of a lifetime. Now, I got a feeling that there may be a gentleman in downtown Hereford who is watching. So big shout out to you. And this little video is for a very special person in your life. And of course, he's got a middle name that's the same as mine, as has the gentleman who is his son. And that name is Anthony, spelt the correct way. So big shout out, big Calimera to that gentleman in downtown Herefordshire. If your name is Sir of the Craig, yes. And of course his girl, Lady of the Haley. And of course this is a little memento, and to bring back some memories of when you were in, of course, downtown Paphos, and of course your father, yes, Sir Cliff of the Anthony. Hopefully this brings back some fantastic memories, and we've got a fabulous day as we go for a little walk along the coastal pathway in downtown Chloraka. And lots of these places have been rejuvenated. Pretty much this pathway is all new. And of course, if you are perhaps supping on a pint somewhere, you may not have ventured out that much, but there's a lot of adventures to go on your travels if you are on holiday in Paphos. And a fabulous place it is. And of course, now and again, you can stop and look out into that, which of course is, yeah, the blue Mediterranean Sea. Takes your breath away, doesn't it? Temperature, if you're curious to know, around about 18 degrees, about 11 o'clock in the morning. The sun is shining. All that's missing is you. So why not get yourself on a big bird or a canoe? Start paddling like crazy, because Paphos, Cyprus, Marika and Me, oh yeah, we're waiting especially for you. Now, if you like what you see, hit the like, smash that subscribe. Please don't forget to keep on coming back for that little bit more of my complete and utter madness as I take you on my travels, on my adventures in and around Paphos. And of course, if there is somewhere that you'd like me to go, why not drop it into the comments? And you never know, that little video may be coming very soon, especially for you. And of course, if you'd like to keep the channel afloat, why not go and hunt us down on the Buy Me a Coffee platform, because that's how you could gift us that virtual coffee. That's how you could say that massive thank you. And of course, that little video that you're requesting will be coming very soon indeed. Plenty of places for you to chill out and relax along this coastline. Plenty of benches, plenty of rocks to perch upon and feast your eyes and to digest, and plenty of villas if you fancy coming for that holiday. As we can see here, some brand new ones are rapidly coming to completion. You imagine yourself booked in there for that weekend, that week, that fortnight. All your troubles will be washed away, and of course that is what you will feast your eyes on every single second of every single day. Chloraka Coastal Pathway in downtown Paphos. And as I've said, a very, very overlooked area, by the way. Lots of people, you know, they fixate on going to Coral Bay, they fixate on coming to downtown Paphos, but perhaps if you're looking for a very, very relaxed holiday, perhaps the Chloraka coastline, the Chloraka coastline could be that perfect place for you, because it's not far on a bus to the main event, which of course is downtown Paphos, or perhaps you could hire a car. But there is something very, very special about the area. The rock formations, I think, are absolutely beautiful. And the sea, well, it's that turquoisey blue today. Starting to warm up. There's no doubt about it, we're going to have a fabulous, fabulous springtime. And of course, rapidly, we are going to crescendo into the summertime, which of course is when most people are going to come to Paphos. And we'll all be waiting for you on the island of love. Now, for those of you who follow the channel, you'll understand that Marika is literally about to come back onto camera. So if you come back for the next little episode, she's going to be walking around the Marica and Me lounge bar and, well, telling us what she thinks we've done right and what we have done wrong, and coming up with some ideas. So don't forget to come back for the next little episode as we go for a stroll around the forthcoming Marica and Me lounge bar. And of course, we take you with us. And if you'd like to get involved with the Marica and Me lounge bar, perhaps like Sir Craig and Lady Haley, get your name on a brick on the Wall of Fame on the Hollywood staircase. And of course, there will also be a brick on there for the man known as Sir of the Cliff. And that will be a special, special brick in his memory. Want to go and hunt us down on PayPal? All you have to do is look up these magic words, Paul G. Cyprus. Up will come my face and Marika's face as we say a massive, massive thank you to you. And if you'd like to get your name on that brick, all it costs you is £50. And of course, when people come into the bar, they will understand that you were one of the founding members. You were one of the people that made the Marica and Me lounge bar become a reality. And there's an awful lot of you, and we'd like to thank one or two of you right now. If your name is Dayman, thank you very, very much indeed. If your name is Lord of the Andy, and there's a beauty in your life called Lady of the Ness, we thank you very, very much indeed. If your name is Sir of the Daniel, and you've got a girl who's always, always, always right, Lady Sherry Wright, we thank you very, very much indeed. The list goes on and on and on, and we do thank you from the bottom of our two hearts. And we'd also like to say a massive thank you to some of the people who have gifted an awful lot of money. Perhaps if your name is Lord of the Lee, Lady of the Vicky, thank you very, very much indeed. If your name is Baron von Cigar, and of course Lady Victoria, thank you very, very much indeed. If your name is so sweet Caroline, and of course the man of her dreams, the man known as Baron Nigel of the Big Guns, thank you very, very much indeed. And of course, we'll be waiting for you when you come on a big bird to downtown Paphos. And hopefully you'll join us for a drink or two at the Marica and Me lounge bar. So a very special place and a poignant place in, of course, Sir Craig and of course Lady Haley's life. Downtown Chloraka Beach has some fond memories for them, and hopefully the one or two other people have got some great memories of when they came to Paphos and hung out in and around the little area known as downtown Chloraka. Great pathway. You can actually physically walk all the way from here as far as Coral Bay, or all the way to downtown Paphos. Perhaps bring your hiking boots, and don't forget a bottle of water or two. What a fabulous day on the island of love. I'm going to leave you to enjoy the views, and I'm going to light a little boy cigar And of course, I'm going to say those magic words, so wait for it. There's no doubt about it. Life is good. Feast your eyes and digest.